Hey everybody, Troy from the Do-It-Yourself World and the Off-Grid Project. Got a package in the mail. See if we can get this open. There's a shipping notification. And it's wrapped off. So we have here something for us to try out. This is a water pitcher filtration unit, which is pretty cool. We'll be able to put this through the works because our water has a funny taste to it sometimes. I guess it depends on where the water is coming from and the aquifer, is it called? Underground. I'm not sure how exactly it says. Levoit water pitcher filter. So let me open this up and we'll have a look at what's inside and how it works. Well, first let me see what it says here in the back. Filtered water somehow tastes sweeter. Doesn't matter whether you're using it to gulp down your 8 glasses a day, which is, by the way, highly recommended, or make homemade baby food. The Levoit water filter pitcher pours a clean cup. Well, I hope so. We're going to find out and put it to the test. Curious to see how the filter works on this. I've had water filtration systems in the past. Oh, there's this filter cartridge for sure. Yep. Definitely is a filter cartridge in there. And it looks like a digital display on top. Water filter pitcher. Let's see, 1-year warranty. So, yeah, it looks like I've had water filter pitchers like this before. There's a replaceable water filter goes inside. So it's going to probably do a pretty good job of cleaning your water for drinking. You just don't know where your water's coming from these days. Somebody upstream with the underground aquifer could be pouring who knows what into the water, which can affect you. Doesn't matter how you live in your own home. It matters how others are living upstream and where your water comes from. So there's a internal tray which holds your filter, little drip hole in the bottom. There's your water pitcher. Has measurements on the side. I don't know if you can see that at all. It has measurements there. And is that reversible? It goes in one way. Yep, drops right in there. And then your fill spout and a digital display. I'm going to read the instructions before I go any further. And then of course there's your water filter cartridge, which I'm going to open up and have a look at how this looks like. Interesting. Again, I'm going to go through instructions, but it seems like a probably an activated charcoal water filter, which drops in there. And you use it until it needs to be replaced. Okay, I'm going to check out how this works. Be back in a little bit. Okay, now I've got the filter cartridge out here. I've got the instructions in front of me. And I see that you have to take some protective caps off the bottom. So I'm going to have to set this on a tripod. We'll be right back. Okay, protective caps here come off. My fingernails are almost non-existent. Ow. Okay, the caps come off to allow maximum water flow. And we'll get more to explaining what these caps do in a while here. Alright. Restrictor caps, not protective caps. Anyway, reduces in varies the water flow. Then it says soak the cartridge in clean water, submerged completely for 15 minutes. What I do with this type of a filter is I put it right in the pitcher itself, best water container you can have. Let's take the inner tray out, lay it right in the bottom, and fill it with water. We'll be right back. Now the cartridge is completely submerged, and we'll leave this alone for 15 minutes and let that sit. And we'll be back in a little bit. Now I don't wash these until after I've done the filtration when I have a pitcher like this. I haven't had one in years, so it's nice to have one again. But I'll let this sit in here. I'll do the filtration, or the cleaning and soaking, pre-soaking of the filter, and then I'm going to wash everything with soap and water before my first use. Okay, this has been soaking for probably about a half hour. I like to give it a little bit more time, make sure all the bubbles get out. Now it says to run it under, put it under running water for 10 seconds to flush it out, so I will do that, and we'll be back in a minute. Now these little restrictor caps. It says to put them in the plus position if we want the water to filter faster, and the minus position if you want it to filter more thoroughly. Well, I want them to filter slow. Now this is all dripping water on me here, so I'm going to put these on here. Oh, I see how it works. Oh, spilling water out. Paper towels. Okay, what we got here is, let me see if I can do this. Yep. It slides up or down, plus, minus. There's plus, minus. So I'm going to keep it on minus because I like my water to filter much more thoroughly. I guess it just restricts the amount of flow that can come out of there. Not quite sure why or how. Must be something how this is set up. Put that in a down position. Okay. Now what you do, you put this all back together, and again I'm going to wash this when I'm done. You put this all back together, you drop the cartridge in there firmly, press it firmly in place, and there's a rubber gasket in there to make sure that it seals in nice. And then you fill this with water, let it go through 3 times, and then you discard the first 3 fills of water. So I'm going to fill this up, we'll be right back. And you can see the stream of water coming down. We're filtering water. And I'm going to go ahead according to instructions and discard the first 3 times I run this through. And then we'll start using this, and we'll be back to you in the future with full updates on what we think of this new water filter here. And that's it for now. I'm going to get this video uploaded to you guys, so watch for updates. I'm going to start the digital display. Once I get this into real circulation, I'll start the digital display, and we'll start using this. So a full video review will be coming, so stay tuned for that, guys. Thanks for watching. This is Troy from the Do-It-Yourself World and the Off-Grid Project, testing out a really cool water filter pitcher, and we'll give you full updates and a full review coming soon. Links down below if you want to go ahead and jump ahead and buy one. Talk to you guys later.